Welcome to The Rant, a Knights of the Realm production. Parental discretion is advised. Introducing The Cough.
Oh, hell to the no. You better contain that shit. Ain't nobody playing with you. I will baptize your ass in Clorox in the name of the Lord. You got that? I'm talking Midra.